here are the 12 areas. So we have response inhibition, working memory, emotional control, task initiation, sustained attention, planning and prioritizing, organization, time management, flexibility, metacognition, goal-directed, and stress tolerance. I'm just going to say right now, stress tolerance, we all live in a society where stress is like, boom, right? Okay, so I can guarantee you that in this room, one of us has one of these things. We probably all together have multiple of these things, right? Because stress is just in general. If you can manage stress in a healthy way, kudos to you, right? Time management, organization, that flexibility, right? Sometimes that's pretty hard as a mom to be that flexible thinker, like more with my husband than with my children, right? I always feel bad, right? Like for my husband, I'm like, no, we're doing it this way. This is what the schedule says. Do not veer from the schedule, right? So having flexibility can sometimes be hard. It's hard for kids all the time. So we're going to talk about these ones. Any of these stick out to any of you specifically for your child? Because if it does, I really want to spend some good time on those.
Yeah, all of them.
All of them? All of them. Okay. All of them.
Time.
All right, I'm going to work fast then.
Hi, this is Jessica, and I would like to thank you for watching. I do hope you found it helpful to your life situation. If you ever wish to talk about our wild programs, please reach out by contacting me through my email address or our contact form on our website. I do hope you are having a wonderful day.